viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to get current date and time in Excel. So it is a very simple function. The function names are today and now. So first of all, I will use today function and start it with equal and type today, press tab and simply enter, and here you can see it has fetched the current date, which is 16 March 2024, and second one is now. Now function not only fetch the current date but also the current time. So I will type here equal and now and then press tab and enter, and here you can see it has fetched not only the date but also the time. So this is how you can get current date and time in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.